show you the lovely new gazebo we got from Tuin on a new piece of land that we've just purchased. The gazebo comes open all sides, but we've decided to fill in the sides and make it part of our boundary, which will become clear. Follow me. We're now entering the car park area, and we've utilised the back of the open gazebo, and my husband has put tongue and groove to help make it form the boundary. Into the garden. Thanks to the gazebo, it's now completely private, and we can have parties and entertain. Let me show you the gazebo. My husband assures me it was very easy to erect, and I think the main structure was done in a day. The roof and the shingles were all supplied by Tuin. This is the only addition that we have added, our little bit. And of course, doesn't come from Tuin. This is Paddy's bar, so that we can have a party whenever we want, all tucked away neatly. We've been able to hide the electrics, and my husband has made some lights from an old boat, but you never know what you're going to experience in a British winter, so for those colder nights we've just rigged up these covers so that if we want to be completely enclosed without it's as simple as that. So we're really happy with our purchase.